Thanks for riding me around.
Oh, what? Oh, ran over bubble wrap.
Oh, hey, you can't turn out there. What are you doing?
That's where I was gonna go.
No, there's signs everywhere. It's
Bro,
like you're
wrong
going
way.
backwards.
It literally
yeah.
says wrong way right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn it! What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. I'm sure you guys all wonder about, what happened to the shop, and I think I'm gonna have Logan here kind of explain what happened and why we're not at that shop anymore.
So basically, when we entered that partnership, and I'm not using that term loosely, it was a partnership. And when we entered that, there were certain terms that were discussed. And with that, the terms changed progressively. We didn't realize that we were signing up for a variable term agreement here. And it got to the point where everything stopped making sense.
And it got shadier and shadier as time went on.
And as we questioned more and more, we learned more things about our partner that made us doubt the situation that we were in. And the kind of final straw there was when we found out through a mutual friend that our partner was moving shops. And all of our stuff's still there. And this mutual friend was under the assumption that we had been kicked out because we weren't paying rent. All the while, this dude is like cool as a cucumber with us and does not act any type of way. We didn't know there was an issue, but apparently everybody else in the world knew.
We'll rewind a little bit about this paying rent thing. So when we first went to this shop, the very first question is how much? How much do you need? How much do you want?
What are you getting out of this, and what do we need to provide you
exactly.
for that?
So the terms was nothing. $0 is what you're gonna owe us. Just help me out. So he helped with internet stuff, or like the website stuff, setting up cameras, the design. I did a couple banners. I brought work in, which never got done, but that's a whole different story. But yeah, it was just a constant, like, different stuff. Now there was a bunch of work in this shop that was always being brought in, but nothing
was ever going out.
Right.
And that's when we started asking questions, and we didn't really like the answers that we were getting, or the two separate sets of answers we were getting, should I say. We never got the full story on most of anything, and we went and collected our stuff, and we took it home. And honestly, the alleviation of stress after moving, because we had been dealing with this issue for over a month of this back and the forth, and the when are we gonna go get our stuff? And we weren't locked out. That was the weirdest part. We weren't locked out. We still had keys, still had access to the camera system. We weren't closed out, but it was just a really weird situation. So we decided to cut ties, and we went and got all of our stuff. And that was the end of it. As far as, great detail and description about everything that went on, I understand that we're being a little vague, but that's still to protect some of the stuff that's still ongoing and some of the privacy of the people involved.
Right.
And I don't want anybody to take this as, I'm sure everybody can put two and two together of who we're referring to and stuff like that. And this is not a bash video. This is not one of those, don't mess with this guy. Do as you please. Do your research on people before you enter any sort of agreement on them. I will tell you that as a word of advice. But we're not bashing anybody. If that's how people want to live their lives, it's a free country.
So today, there was two items that would already moved when we went to go pick up all our stuff. There was Zach's welder and pipe bender. So that's kind of what we're on a mission today. You saw the intro, it was kind of funny, but we're not stealing. We have keys. Zach's still a partner, and we're just gonna go get his stuff, and then we're kind of gonna be done with it.
Hopefully. I think Zach's too scared to go get it. Oh, we got a gate code.
All right.
We're here?
We're here. Get the gear. Get the gear. All right. Is this how you do it?
I think so.
All right.
You're gonna put the hat back on?
Yeah.
All right, merch first. You're right first.
Definitely not mechanics.com.
You ready?
All right, yeah, let's go.
It's quiet out here. Too quiet.
Wait.
Oh, right on. Let's go.
All right. All right, hey, you get the gate.
Door.
You get the door. I can't see with this shit.
Locked somehow.
What do you mean locked?
I don't know. Can't see in this thing. Oh, figured it out. Oh. Whoop, that's falling. Alright, so that was just a goof. We're not really stealing it. Obviously, because it belongs to Zach. And he gave us a key. So, like...
And we got permission to come here.
We're not stealing. But, it's fucking funny, wasn't it?
Oh, you're so strong.
Thank you. Where am I going to put this?
Slide it over the GameCube box. This
what?
The GameCube box. Just put it on top of it. That works. Don't ruin my Harbor Freight tools.
They can take the abuse.
Those are collectors.
This thing's heavy.
Don't scratch it. Push it again.
We're not gonna take the pipe bender because he's made some modifications to it and bought like a ram for it and stuff. So we're gonna wait and let that get sorted out between him and Zach. But we need the welder because the Mercedes has got to get a lot taller real soon. All right, let's go.
What are you doing?
What? We're going.
You don't have to wear the pantyhose anymore. It was just a prank.
It's COVID season, man. Safety first. Gotta wear a mask.
Oh my god.
Right? I don't want to get you sick.
Oh,
And it's comfortable as shit.
Oh, GoPro down.
Hope nobody tried those on before you put them on your head.
No, I'm not either.
Look at me.
I couldn't breathe, dude. I couldn't breathe really well. Dude, this is...
Stomach hurts.
Buying pantyhose is probably the best thing I've ever done in my life. Oh man, I've been committing crimes wrong this whole time.
Here you go, master criminal.
Right on. Welder's home. Thanks for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. I just want to make it very clear. Hold on. I just want to make it very clear that we did not commit any crimes in this video. Everything that was portrayed here was just for comedy. We did not commit any crimes. We did not break into anywhere. We had gate codes, keys, permission from a partner in the company. Everything has been approved here. This was not illegal.
Definitely not mechanics.com. Sweet merch. Go get it.
Should be illegal to look this good.
Yeah. Look at this. Okay. All right, let's go.
I'm gonna wear this for every video from now on.
Really?
Yeah, probably. Every cowboy needs a hat, needs a hat, needs a hat. And a pair of fancy boots, fancy boots, fancy boots.
I'm leaving.
I like the Nick and Logan videos. These are fun.
These are a lot of fun.
Yeah. Fucking Zach.
Oh, shit.
Oh, dude, we do need to talk shit about Zach.
Yeah, he's too big of a bitch to go get his own shit. Kidding. Don't.
You're giving me a lot of power by letting me edit this video.